What's up, gang? It's your girl Ronda B, back with another video. And in today's video, as you read by the title, yes, I will be showing you all how to style head wraps as well as head scarves with your shoulder length. Well, check your girl out first off. I don't know if I could still be considered part of the shoulder length gang or what, because your girl hair is just growing. But anyway, in this video, which has been highly requested, I'll be showing you all different ways you can style your hair with these head wraps and head scarves. And disclaimer, I do have a silk head scarf. The head wrap is a scarf that I picked up from Charlotte Rousse years ago. I've actually styled with this head wrap in one of my older videos, which I'll link down below in the description box. So I just want to do a refresher. Since my locks are longer, I can show you all different ways to style it. So if this video interests you, just make sure you keep on watching. And before I move forward, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? I say this at the end of all my videos. That means either you made it to the end or you just let that statement go over your head when I say subscribe to my channel. So click that red subscribe button now. I'll give you all a second. You done? Okay. And if you're not following me on my social media platforms, information been down below in the description box since day one. So make sure once you finish this video, after you hit that like button and that notification bell, follow me on my social media platforms, because your girl is just a whole vibe. I gained so many followers on Instagram as well as so many followers on YouTube. So yes, your girl is back posting videos. Whew, just ran out of breath trying to say all that. If y'all done listening and I'm done talking, let's just hop right into this video.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show. Big ass, I get that. Baby. Big ass, I get that. Big ass, I get that.
symphony, just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene?
Alright, y'all, I don't know what this last head wrap style I just came up with was about. I tried to do the why can't I talk? I tried to do the poetic justice style with the head wrap, but over my locks. It was a hit and miss because clearly my locks had got a mind of its own. But anyway, I hope a few of these wrap hairstyles was successful. Hopefully you all will use them, and if you do, make sure you tag me on Instagram. And if you all did like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you click that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. And until next time, Ronda B out.